Hi everybody, it's Neil and I am back with another wheelchair cushion. This one here is by Auvon and Auvon, I guess, and it is a memory foam cushion. And we're gonna check this thing out here. I will show you how it all works. I am not in a wheelchair, but I will try it on my kitchen chair. So we can get an idea of it, but we can see how it looks, and you can kind of get an idea of the size and everything else. I guess this one is black. I'm kind of colorblind, so it might be some other dark color. But this is the concept. It comes with the cushion and the little curve. You see it's curved on the edge here, so when you're sitting on it, your legs don't get, like if you were sitting like this way, your legs would be, you'd have this thing digging into you, so it'll help out your circulation. And you have the nice memory foam. On the bottom, you have the little nubs, which are to keep it from sliding off, as well as the strap, which will keep it from sliding off. So you can see it's a strap, it's totally adjustable here, and it'll clip onto the sides here. So like here we go. This is one side, just clips on there. So there's one, and then all the way around to this side. And I mean, this is the only setup that you need to do for this thing other than putting it on the wheelchair. So there we go. So that is set. And it's pretty nice and it's super cushy. You can see how wide it is. It's about, I don't know, this one's about 14, 16 inches wide or so. Probably says it somewhere in the manual here. So this is what the manual is here. You can kind of see. If you need to pause it and zoom in, you probably can. I'm going to put a link to this as well in the description, but here we can see this is what, there's a little zipper side here. You can see inside what it is. It's got a little bit of memory foam and then regular foam kind of going in there. So actually it's all memory foam. It's all memory foam. So that's what it looks like inside. Pretty nice there. And it's got a handle on the side so you can just carry it around easy or hook it onto a clip, put it on the arm of the wheelchair or whatever. And it's a nice velvet touch here, but let's try it on my chair here. So I put it on my chair, you can see how it looks. It fits nice and wide on there. And then if I sit down, it's a nice cushy feel. It does have a nice feel. It's very nice. And so that is the chair pad. Boy, that's nice. Nice, a lot nicer than my crappy chair. But you can see it's nice and thick. And it's got the cutout here, just so I guess that's where your sit bone or something is. So it'll be a bit comfortable and it'll fit around your wheelchair. Very nice, and it'll stay on because you have the strap. So it's really a good thing, and it comes off super easy because this strap, you can see, you just unclip it like this. So if you need to take it off to wash it, whatever, super simple. So I like it. So thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to pick up one of these, the link is in the description, so be sure and get one. Thanks, bye.